Mathematics can be a bugbear for many school-going children, and making maths fun to learn is a constant challenge that teachers and administrators face within the classroom. Prodigy is a game-based learning platform for students from grades 1 to 8 to practice and master maths in a fun and interactive way.
This was a wow statement as soon as it was told to me. We were told to get into the joyful learning, which we were trying to implement but didn't know how to get into it. And then the moment we were told about Prodigy, I immediately understood that this was the joyful learning that we were looking for.
It has gamified most of the operations of the mathematics. All the topics are covered right from standard 1 to standard 6th grade.
Loved by over 50 million students, teachers and administrators worldwide, Prodigy brings math curricula and custom assignments to master more than 1,400 key math skills.
As a teacher, it's helping me a lot. I can change my ways also of instruction so that they can come up with the better knowledge and better understanding.
The Prodigy platform allows teachers to assess each student's learning journey and tailor their lessons accordingly to allow for effective building of student skills.
Major changes which I've observed is the Prodigy has got different graphics and the visual effects. Even the below average children, they showed interest and confidence, and which had shown their progress in academics too.
My daughter started playing Prodigy few months back. She is actually enjoying and loving math day by day.
Prodigy is the most effective tool to not only make math learning fun and enriching, but to also assess and support a child's learning experience.
I'm very happy with this platform.
I find this Prodigy game very beneficial, very helpful.
We'll surely recommend about it to everyone. Go for Prodigy, for maths especially.
I love Prodigy.